Good morning everyone, it's Thursday morning, the 12th of November, the beginning of week number 3. The fog of the last few days that had been blanketing the UK has finally lifted. So today the sun is out, we have a beautiful bright blue sky with only a few clouds in the sky. So apparently we're supposed to be having a little bit of an Indian summer, if you can have a summer in November. A week or so of bright, beautiful weather rather than dank and dismal, which is what we're used to, which would be nice and greatly welcomed, particularly when we can't really go out that much. But talking of going out, obviously it's Thursday morning, so I'm going to go do mum's shopping for her. I've got her shopping list, which isn't extensive today, it's only minor stuff. Once I've done that, then I'll be taking it down to them, dropping it off, and then coming home. I don't need much shopping today. My shopping list comprises of 2 things, which is a couple of blocks of unsalted butter and a bottle of barbecue sauce, and that's it. That's my shopping list. I did a lot of shopping, or I have done a lot of shopping over the last couple of days. I had occasion to go to the supermarket yesterday to pick up some more printer paper, so while I was there I grabbed a few bits and pieces. And a bit earlier on in the week, on Monday, I had occasion to go into the supermarket to get other stuff, medication, painkillers for Ian because of his toothache, and while I was there I picked up other stuff. So actually I don't need to do any shopping at all this week, just those 2 bits and pieces that I need to get. So the butter is for Ian to do some more baking, so yeah, I can't really say no to that, can I? So it's Thursday afternoon and I've had lunch and I've just gone and washed a load of paintbrushes that were sitting in water. Now some of these paintbrushes I'd left to dry with paint on them or matte medium or whatever. So they've been soaking in a jam jar on the windowsill in a solution of bits, solvents and cleaners and softeners for about a year. And I've just literally gone and cleaned them all off, and they're all back to where they were, all usable again. So that's just saved me a ton of money. And I've changed the water in my pot because it started to smell like rotten eggs. Perhaps I ought to clean it more often. It's Saturday morning, 14th of November, and as you can see, the blue skies that we had, the sunshine that we had, is all gone again, and the fog's back. It's horrible, it's murky, it's wet, it's dank and dreary. Perfect November weather, really. I'm just been over to Mum and Dad's. Dad has made us some shelving units, or some shelves, out of reclaimed wood for the shed, which is what you can see here. So over the last week or so he's been making those for me. He rang yesterday to let me know that they were ready, so he's put them in the conservatory this morning. I've gone into the conservatory to pick them up, waved through the glass because obviously there's a door between the kitchen and the conservatory. Had a quick conversation with them. I made sure they were both okay, didn't need anything, and then I'm on my way back again. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to get these shelves installed into the garden shed tomorrow. That way we can then start bringing stuff that we've been keeping in the garage that really should be in the garden shed, and clear some space in the garage, and also clear some space for Ian's workroom, because there's a lot of stuff which really should have been moved that he was storing in there. So bless him, he's been working in a little bit of a cramped environment for the past few months. So now we're in a position to do it. We can get it all out tomorrow. Let's just hope that the rain holds off.
Well, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I've just come to say good morning. And look who it is. Oh, hello, fluffy boy. You all comfy there with Daddy? Oh, good boy.
It's Monday afternoon, and we've spent the morning starting to clear out the furniture and tidy everything up. As you can see, there used to be a bookcase there. Now there's just a puppy dog fast asleep in his bed, ready for us to move into the other back bedroom, so that we can turn this room into our guest room, and room for mum and dad when they come and stay, like over Christmas. So yesterday was a frantic all hands to the decks, trying to sort everything out, moving furniture. We've moved some bookcases into the shed. We've put shelves up in the shed, which we did on Sunday. So we've now got a nice little work area in the new shed with bookcases underneath, so we can put things like plant pots and grass seed and fertilizers and you name it in there, and also keep a few little hand tools and stuff in. So that's all done. That's what we did on Sunday. But again, the weather was awful on Sunday, so we had to quickly move backwards and forwards and get it all sorted in between rain showers. And all the while, Mr. Bent had his face pressed up against the glass, because we couldn't let him out. But never mind. So yesterday we did that, moved the furniture, or started moving stuff and started packing down, but also started doing website orders and that kind of stuff ready to go in the post, which I should have done yesterday. Not yesterday, should take this afternoon, but depending on whether or not I get a chance this afternoon is a different matter altogether. So, busy.
It's baking time again.
We love the baking time, but...
We're having a bit of a difference today.
Alright,
Yesterday we made these. Come on with me, alright, Mikey?
So these are the what we call the Yorkshire Ruffians.
Oats,
Raisins.
sugar, raisins, nuts, you name it, it's in there.
Cherries, vanilla essence.
Bit fell off there.
Oh, yeah.
But you get 16 out of the recipe.
Mm-hmm.
That's like a mutant now. Look, it's looking at you, a bit smile on its face there.
Me.
Eat
Eat me.
No, not yet. And they're absolutely delicious.
Yes.
But Mike likes coconut.
I do like coconut.
And so I'm making Mike some coconut cookies with sultanas, and I haven't put the vanilla in, I've forgotten. I've just remembered.
Oh.
So I'll put that in now. Because we've ordered some Daryl molds to make some coconut pyramids.
Yes.
Next week.
Yes.
So that should be quite interesting. 3-dimensional buns.
Yeah. Very nice.
So yeah.
So this is the coconut mixture with the sultanas rather than the raisins this time.
It is.
Because I prefer sultanas to raisins.
You do.
So coconut sultanas.
So I haven't put the vanilla in yet.
And
Put the vanilla in.
vanilla.
Vanilla. I forgot to put the vanilla in. Let's give it a quick blast round. It'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Just put that to be washed. There we go. My KitchenAid is amazing. It's the best thing I've ever bought.
Not the cheapest.
No, well, good. What, they're now 500 quid nearly?
Yes, they're up there.
Yeah, this wasn't. I bought this 5 years ago. Need to slacken it a bit.
splash of milker.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Change the tempo. It just helps to mix it. The milk doesn't do anything. If you put water in, it just makes it runny. And that's not what you want. So if you put milk in, it just helps to bind it all together. That's better. Oh, très bien.
Yes, so sultanas and desiccated coconuts.
Yes, sultanas, desiccated coconuts, oats. There's no cinnamon in this one. It's got salt in it. Plain flour, brown sugar.
Demerara.
Yes. And we're putting pecans on the top of them. So when they come out of the oven, you'll be able to have a look at them.
Pecans.
Pecans, yeah. I didn't think we had any till I searched at the bottom to the back of the bottomless baking cupboard.
Listen, I always make sure your baking cupboard is well stocked.
It
You
does.
should know that.
It does, ladies and gents. He always buys me loads of gear for that. And look what I've got today. The Ceromance is dead.
Yes.
Look.
A complete new set of silicone and acacia wood utensils.
Aren't they great? That'll make life a little bit easier now. Because the other one smelled of curry.
I wonder why.
I'm not sure. Oh, my eyebrows.
Oh, look at those.
I've already got one set out.
Yes,
already.
I didn't show those though. So
That's
this
cooked
is the.
alright, isn't it? Yes.
Yes. Well, don't forget to continue to cook and finish off when you take them out.
This is the last one. It's huge!
That's the bonus one.
Yeah, it is.
So, what's the bacon for?
The bacon is for a bacon and cheese tart,
Oh, lovely.
which is short crust pastry, which is what this is.
Puff pastry.
Crust pastry, sorry, yeah.
Well, that's what you're going to be making in a moment.
Yeah, I am. Just got it out to let it rest, but I'm just going to cook this off in the pan.
Nice. Right, so this is the cheese and bacon tart with crispy onion and chives on top, which is about to go in the oven, but it can't go in the oven until the monster coconut biscuit.
What songs do you sing when you put chives on? Chive talking. Okay, back to the oven.
We'll get done now, copyright.
Oh, it's not that good, is it?
No. Go on.
This is the rather large one.
It's more of a pie than a biscuit. Or a cookie.
Oh, that's lovely.
That's enough for two. In fact, we could have that with custard.
And there we are. And there the other one's out.
Yes. So that's a normal sized one.
And that's a Mikey one.
Well, yes, this is the reason why I've got an expanding waistline. Oh, and in goes the tart.
Stand to part for you, Jerry. And that was to be in for 16 minutes.
Oh, hello. Who's this? Hello,
Small furry one.
small furry creature. No. What? What? What can you smell? What can you smell?
Something that he wants to know now.
Yes. You shouldn't be hungry. You've had an entire full tin of tuna to yourself with biscuits. Not impressed.
That little daddy.
Not impressed.
It's a growing lad, little daddy. Come on.
And still he goes back for more. Where do you put it all, Mr. B? Where do you put it all?
And those kangaroo bouncy legs that he's got.
Okay, the alarm's gone off.
I'm going to keep my standing back. I'll keep my eyebrows again.
Yes.
And we have
Yummy, scrummy cheese and bacon and onion tart.
and
And chives.
chive talking. Chive talking.
It wasn't funny the first time.
Oops. I thought it was.
It's Wednesday, 18th, and it's just gone 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I've spent the morning doing website orders, so I've got to go across to the post office this afternoon and get that out of the way. The weather out there is not the best. It's cold, windy, and a little bit drizzly, so I'm probably going to have to wrap up really warm. So I've been doing that, and also tidying up, still tidying up, moving bits and pieces around, also sorting out some product packaging for the stencils. I've had to print a load more stencil inserts because I was out, and because I'm doing them myself now. Mr. Bentley wanting to get back into bed. So yeah, so it's been a busy kind of Wednesday today. Like I said, got to go to the post office later, but this morning we went out on a little bit of a shopping mercy dash. Ran out of Mr. Bentley food and a few other bits and pieces. So yes, I'll be coming in a moment. He's so impatient. A mercy dash to the shops just to get a few bits and pieces in, like I said, Bentley food and things like that. So that's my shopping. So tomorrow, Thursday, I will just be doing mum's shopping. So I'll be going doing all the shopping, getting a shopping list first thing in the morning, and then going doing her shopping, and then taking and dropping all her shopping off. So I don't have to do 2 lots in one go. I'm doing it over 2 days, just like we were back in the original lockdown, back in March. It's a bit like deja vu, this, isn't it? Right, I better go and sort Mr. Bentley out before he starts kicking up even more of a fuss. Oh, well, it looks as though he's put himself to bed. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, I can just see it there, look. Little puppy dog nose. Hello! Go on then. It's a dog's life. So where was I? Oh yes. So that just about brings this week's vlog to a close, I think. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has commented on the YouTube channels, commented on Facebook, made purchases on the website and sent angel donations, because without those angel donations these videos would definitely not be possible. Thank you. So that's all from us for this week. We'll see you all again in the next. Bye for now.